All right, welcome to our activity page. What I'm going to do is what we've been doing is before is I'm going to kind of bring in my view so that way I can see it a little bit better. We have these different nets here, these 4 different nets here, and it says use the clues to determine which student drew each net below. Actually, they're above. I'm sorry. I had switched that, but I didn't switch what it said, so I apologize. Record your answer by typing the student's name in the white rectangle above their net. Sorry. I'm all rectangular prisms, rectangular pyramids, so for some reason I keep saying that word. So it's a rectangle above their net, which is these spots right up here is where we're going to write their names, in these white rectangle boxes. Okay, instead of starting with clue number 1, Ria found the surface area of her net by finding the area of a square and multiplying it by 6. Clue number 2, Karsten drew a net for a triangular prism. Clue 3, Shamika drew a net with a surface area of 72 meters squared. And clue 4, Darius drew a net for a triangular pyramid. All right, so we can see this. I'm going to go like this. Karsten drew a net for a triangular prism. Well, when we looked back at these pages over here, a triangular prism looks like this. So let's go back over here. Oh, there it is, right there. So we're just going to click on here and type in Karsten. Just like that. Triangular prism, there it is. We know from our notes right here that that's what it is because that's what we labeled it. So we need to remember to review the lesson if we're not sure. Let's go to this one. Darius drew a net for a triangular pyramid. Well, let's go back over here. Here's our triangular pyramid. That's what it looks like. Do we have that shape? Sure enough, we do, right here. So we're going to type in his name right there, Darius. Okay, so now we have 2 different clues left and 2 different nets. Let's do Ria found the surface area of her net by finding the area of a square and multiplying it by 6. I am going to go back into this view here. We know rectangles have different lengths and widths. We know squares have the same length and width. So we can just look at these 2 and determine that this is our square net right there, which then leaves Shamika to have this one by default. And that turned out to be really easy, and we were able to do it under 3 minutes. Because we went back and referred to our lesson to find the first 2. And then once we realized what the properties of a square was, we found that one. And then the last one, we didn't even have to find the surface area because there was only one left. So there it is. That's all you need for this one.